The most successful people in the world are extremely discerning, bordering on fanatical in choosing who rides their bus. By comparison, there are others who collect friends, the way most of us collect pennies. They believe the more pennies, the better. People fill jars, trays, mugs, etc. with pennies, but never actually do anything with them. They just collect them. If you fill your bus to capacity with pennies, or people who have no intention on building a meaningful relationship with you, you will have less energy for more people. To spend more time with certain people, you will have to ask someone on your bus to get off. Get rid of the pennies. Actively choose to have one $1 bill instead of 100 pennies. One meaningful relationship will have far more value than 100 meaningless ones.
Pick up your copy of Active Choices book today on Amazon, and now available on audiobook. Let's go! Just got stung by a bee. Yow!